Hi, I'm Ruth with Sage Gardens and Art Studio. Just wanted to give some updates of what's been going on with us. Yesterday, we went and got some quilting lessons at the Quilted Cow. We started another quilt top. We both worked on the same one. Richard sewed part of it, I sewed part of it. And then he ironed while I sewed the strips together. Um, the day before that, we went to Blue Eye, Missouri, and visited the craft store Just Jennifer. She is a really interesting lady. She's from England. Well, no, she's not from England. She actually grew up in Africa, but she's English and somehow ended up in the Midwest and has a craft store there. I made a video that I'll be putting up about her store, and she kind of tells her story. It's very interesting. And then this weekend, starting this afternoon, I'm going to a writer's conference. I've written 3 books and published them, but what I'm really looking forward to is hearing Colin Conway talk. He's a writer from Oregon that's coming, and he's written a bunch of suspense cozy mystery books, anti-cozy mystery. He's hilarious. I've listened to just about all of his books. He's really a good author, and I'm just fangirling, getting ready to go see him. Then on top of that, let's see, that's a 3-day conference, so it'll be today, this afternoon, all day tomorrow, tomorrow night, and Sunday morning. I'll be going to that, and there'll be other authors there to listen to. I'm sure I'll give a report on what happened there. The next week, we are headed to Myrtle Beach to visit my son and his wife, and then see Richard's sister in Florida, and come back this way and see his daughter Jennifer before we get home. And in the meantime, we're renovating, having our house renovated. So it's been really crazy here, really, really crazy. And it's really been hard to get any crafting done. And I've got a lot to do. Besides making the quilts, we're working on rug hooking, and I've got a pattern planned out to do for Ribbon Candy Hooking's book that she's doing, and hooking with non-traditional fabrics. I've got it planned out. I've sent it. I'm going to, it's going to be a rug. It's going to be a pretty good sized, not a huge rug, but it's going to be rug sized or wall hanging size. So I'm looking forward to getting that and going on that, but it'll have to wait probably till I get back. I'm also editing a book for a lady in England, and when I get back, I also have to illustrate a children's book. So, isn't retirement wonderful? I'm hoping some of you are willing to follow us along and just give us a likes and subscribe. We are trying to develop a community of crafters, artists, and people who are active in retirement. I follow several YouTube channels, The Last Homely House, Ribbon Candy Hooking, Old Me Getting Better. He's an 81-year-old guy who has started a YouTube channel. He's got some good wisdom. And one of the sayings that I like of his the best is, if you're not dead, you're not done. I'm 70, Richard's 70, almost 75, and we're still poking along. And sometimes it gets tiring being retired. So if you could give us a thumbs up and subscribe and leave comments. Comments, questions, we would appreciate any interaction we can get so we can get to know you. And we hope to, I'll give you a report after the conference and talk to you along the way. Bye. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave comments and let us know what you liked about this video and what other things that you'd like us to make videos on. Please subscribe. It helps us a lot. We're trying to build a community of retirees and crafters and people who can connect. So we very much appreciate you being here.